Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce, my name is Bunga Siti Aliasmin. I am from grade 12 IPS 2. Here I will bring some actual news and the latest news about the war that took place between Russia and Ukraine. War between Ukraine and Russia. Kiev Russia's invasion of Ukraine is now entering its second day. Attack after attack continues to add to the precarious condition of Ukraine. About 100,000 people fled, even fled abroad for fear of Russian attacks, increasingly endangering their lives. Casualties from soldiers to civilians continues to fall. The critics from the international community did not stop Russians' determination to launch a large-scale invasion after weeks of denying the allegation of invasion. A series of sanctions were imposed on Russia, even though the country led by President Vladimir Putin did not begin carrying out the invasion. So what is the latest development of Russia's invasion of Ukraine? The Decom summarized the review reported by AFP Friday, 25 February the year 2022. Putin announced military operation to Russia. The tense situation in Ukraine stemmed for the announcement made by the President of Russia, Vladimir Putin. Putin announced his military would carry out an operation to Ukraine on Thursday, 24/2 morning local time. Putin said the Russian military operation was meant to defend the separatist regions in eastern Ukraine, Donetsk and Luhansk from aggression, and warned the West of terrible consequences if it interfered with Russian affairs. Full-scale invasion begins after Putin announced a military operation Ukraine. Air and artillery strikes responded in various corners of Ukraine. Ukrainian Foreign Minister Dmytro Kuleba accused Putin of launching a full-scale invasion. Russian troops enter Ukraine from foreign direction. Russian ground troops defended Ukraine from a number of locations. They broke into areas north of Kiev, attacking Ukrainian positions with great missiles. Russian heavy tanks and other military equipment also crossed the border and the Crimean Peninsula. Others have entered along the eastern front, where separatist rebels have claimed more than 14,000 lives in 2014. The Russian Defense Ministry also claimed the Ukrainian air defense system had been destroyed. A senior Western intelligence official said Russia now had complete air sovereignty over Ukrainian airspace. Russian claims in Turkish have destroyed more than 20 military targets, including 11 airfields in Ukraine. Violent victims. On the first day of the invasion, Ukraine reported 137 dead and 316. Military equivalent, the Red Cross said the war concerned about the high number of victims. The impact and cause of the Russo-Ukraine conflict. The cause of the Russo-Ukrainian conflict began in 2013 when the Ukrainian president had a deal in the economy with the European Union. After that, the conflict occurred because of the separatist movement. Here's the explanation. The conflict between Ukraine and Russia is a topic of discussion around the world. The cause of the Russo-Ukrainian conflict have existed for a long time. The armed conflict in eastern Ukraine had occurred in early 2014. Meanwhile, in October 2021, Russia began moving troops and military equipment near the Ukrainian border. This troop and military transport triggers a potential invasion. This is all I can say. See you one other day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.